Meet the Motif Aura, a wearable wireless breast pump built for the modern mom on the go. Inside the box, you'll see 2 wearable breast pumps with diaphragms, breast shields, and 150 milliliter bottles attached. The Motif Aura comes with 3 different sizes of silicone inserts. Two power adapters, 2 USB-C cables, 2 bottle caps with nipples, and the user manual. Before pumping for the first time, be sure to clean the parts. The diaphragms, breast shields, and bottle caps should all be sanitized. To charge your pumps, locate the charging port on the back side to connect the USB-C cable to a power source. After charging your pumps, assemble the components. Attach the valve to the breast shield. Twist the bottle to the breast shield. Insert the diaphragm. Choose the best silicone insert for a more comfortable fit, and insert into the breast shield. Finally, insert the assembled components into the pump. Your Motif Aura is now assembled. If you need any help, please contact our customer service team. To learn more about the features and functions of your hands-free pump, click the next video.